Hi mga kabini! A day in my life as a bini na call center agent slash volleyball player. It's 10 minutes break. So our word for today mga kabini is impeccable, meaning flawless, perfect. At ang sample sentence natin dyan ay her impeccable taste in fashion made her a style icon. At in Filipino. Yes, actually Filipino siya. Thank you for Dominga Bonghanoy Jr. for correcting me. Correcting me. May ganon. Actually, in Filipino, it is walang kapintasan or perfecto. So, ang sample sentence or ang sample natin dyan ay ang kanyang pagganap ay walang kapintasan or napaka-perfecto ng kanyang pagganap. May ganun mga kabini, oh. Isang A naman dyan.